Today I will tell you about 1D array and its operations. So first go to LabVIEW panel, and over here we have already created numeric input arrays. Like I drag and drop this, and you can increase the number of elements. Like in this case I put some elements in this. This is my input array, input numeric array. Now I want to perform some task on this. This is my 1D array. It is not a 2D array. Like I increase this, it increase only in one direction, like in this only. So this array contains 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 elements. So I just go to my diagram. Over here in the data types, here we have array operations like this. It gives me the size of array. I just click on this, drag and drop, then it gives me indexing. Means I want to select a particular element. For this we use this term. Then we have delete. These are the basic array operations. Like using this you can find the array size, index array, replace a subset of particular array. You have to, when you want to insert something, some element into your array, and you want to delete from your array, you can use these types of array. If you want to rotate your array, you can use these functions. These are the array operations. We generally use only these types. So I use some examples. So first I just drag and drop from unplaced items. This is my input array, and it gives me the array size. I just connect it. This gives me the size of array. So I again go to my panel, and over here I require a indicator. So here is my indicator. I named it as size. This gives me size of array. Now I just go to unplaced items and connect this directly to this. So this is my array size. Now this is my index array. If you want to select a particular element from the array, you have to just place an index. So I right click on this and create a constant. Right now I want to check the third element. Means not third, it is my fourth element, because in the indexing starts from 0. So this gives me fourth element. So over here I have an indicator. This is the indicator. This is the element of fourth, in this case fourth position. Now here is my input array, and I want to delete some element. So from here I just select the value from where I want to delete. So in this case I want to select second, and it is the length, and here is the indexing from where I want to delete. So again it is 2. So my after the run operation, it gives me the deleted part, and again this gives me the deleted portion, and this gives me the remaining portion of an array. So I just go to my output or my panel. Over here I have unplaced items. I just directly place these, and this is the element. So when I hit on run button, This gives me the size according to this. This gives me the element. The element on third place is 8 because this is 0 position, 1 position, 2 position, third position. And this gives me the array subset, means after deleting, so I select 2 elements are deleted from second position. So my second position is 0, 1, 2. From here 2 elements are deleted. So when I hit on run button, as you see, this gives me 40 and 8. From here this one is deleted and this one is deleted, and remainings are 2, 2, 7, 9, 7. I increase this, so 7, 9, 7. So this is the basic array operations on 1D array. Thank you.